So friends, let's see today's lovely recipe of Farali Kachori. Now here I've taken about 5 green chilies and 1 inch of ginger, and I'm going to grind this to a very fine paste like this. We're going to use 1/4 cup of freshly grated coconut, 1/4 cup of roasted peanut powder, 2 tablespoons of chopped cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon of chopped raisins or kishmish, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh coriander, 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar, and some salt to taste. So in a bowl, I'm going to add the freshly grated coconut. Next goes in the ginger and green chili paste, the cashew nuts, the raisins or kishmish, the roasted peanut powder, the powdered sugar, salt to taste, freshly chopped coriander. I'm going to give this a mix. And now we're going to squeeze the juice of half a lemon. So this is about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So add that to the mixture and mix the mixture really well. So this is going to be our filling for our kachori. Give this mixture a good taste so that you can, adjust the sweetness, or if you want more coconut, so you can adjust it as per your taste. And now we're going to go for the outer covering, which is going to be made out of mashed potatoes. So I've taken 4 medium-sized potatoes, boiled them, peeled them, and mashed them. Then we have some salt to taste, and I'm going to use just 2 teaspoons of rice flour. You can also use corn flour or even arrowroot flour. So now just add the salt to the potatoes, as well as the rice flour or whatever you have at hand, corn flour or arrowroot powder. This is just to give this a nice, good consistency. So it's easier for us for frying, and also it gives us a nice crispy outer layer. Now I've just put a little bit of ghee on the palm of my hands. That makes it easier. And I'm just going to roll these into small balls like this, flatten them out and set them aside. Now once that is done, just flatten it out and just put about 1 teaspoon of the filling. Don't overfill it or underfill it, and then just bring all the sides together like this. And then just roll it into a nice ball. See that there are no open edges or no open ends. See that everything is sealed really well. And once this is done, you can keep it aside. Now I've just, in a pan, I've taken about 5 tablespoons of oil. I'm not going to be deep frying this. And I got exactly 11 of these kachoris. And then I'm just going to put them in the hot oil and fry them till they're nice and golden brown in color. A very light golden brown. So once they come to this lovely color, you can just drain it and put it on a kitchen napkin or kitchen towel to drain the excess oil. So in this way, fry all the remaining kachoris. Ensure there are no open edges, otherwise the filling will come out into the oil. So see that it's sealed really well. And in this manner, fry all the remaining kachoris. And our lovely Farali Kachoris are all ready. I like to serve this with a special chutney. I'll leave the recipe for the chutney in the description box as well as the comment section down below. It tastes really well with this. with these kachoris. So now let me just cut open one and show you how the filling is inside. So you have this lovely filling with the potato at the side and this crispy outer covering. So do give this recipe a try, guys, and let me know in the comments section how you liked it. I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Take care, guys. See you soon. Bye.